Cheerful good morning, children. Today we will take example number 80. In this, the company share called with only two installment application and allotment. So we are going to start this sum. This is the first sum where only two installment type of sum we are taking. The authorized capital of Sanjay Limited of Patan is 1,60,000 share at rupees 5 each. On April 3rd, 2017, company issued 1,20,000 shares at the premium of 200 per share to public. The amount payable per share was as follow. Application 102 per share including premium 100. The allotment 103 including premium 100 as on May 1st, 2017. Up to the 5th April 2017, company received 1,84,000 application. Now company issued 1,20,000 shares and received 1,84,000 applications. From these applications, 4,000 were rejected. So now remain 1,80,000 and the balance application 1,20,000 were allotted. Now 1,80,000 shares allotted amount is that 1,20,000 shares. So remaining amount, it is not said that refunded, so we will credit to share allotment account. All called up amount were received in proper time. Company maintained combined share application and allotment account. Now first we received 1,84,000 into the rate is given 102, as you can see there on application it is written, and 4,000 rejected. So 4,000 into 102, 8,000 returned. So remaining balance with company 1,83,060. 1 crore 83 lakh 60,000. Now amount for the application and allotment is 1,20,000 into 102. So that is 1 crore 22 lakhs 40,000. Now excess amount is 61,200. So that in advance we received, that will take share application and allotment account. So now balance, how much amount we have to call. Allotment amount is given 103. So 1,20,000 share into by 103. So amount will be due 1 crore 23 lakh 60,000. Out of that advance we received 61 lakhs 20,000. So amount will be received 62 lakhs 40,000. Now it is given all the called up amount were received in proper time. Company maintained combined share application. Now this is the important things. Company maintained and the amount received is not refunded for excess application. Till that we have to treat as an advance. So now we'll see the entries. First entry as usual, bank account debit to share application. On that place as it is given, the share application and allotment account combine is made. So here we will credit to that account. 1,84,000 into by 102, amount will come 1 crore 87 lakhs 68,000. Now this application amount, how to transfer for capital. Before that we have to make the allotment on 1st May as it was given in the sum. Here that 1st May including premium 103 is allotment called up. So share application account debit to share allotment. Now for share capital, amount will go 1,20,000 into 2 rupees of application, 3 rupees of allotment. So per share called up 5 rupees, total will go capital 1,20,000 into 5 rupees. So 6 lakhs only. While security premium amount is 200, so it will come 1,20,000 into 200, so 2 crore 40 lakhs. Now narration will be written being application amount on allotment shares at 2 rupees and the amount called up on allotment at 3 rupees per share transfer to share capital account where the amount of application 100 and called up amount on allotment 100 of security premium transferred to security premium account. Now share application and allotment account debit to bank account refunded on 4,000. So 4 lakh 8,000 amount came, 4,000 into 102. Then bank account debit to share application allotment we are receiving only as per the working shown on top. The 62 lakhs 40,000 we are receiving because remaining was advance. So that time only we deposited advance in this entry itself. So amount received on 1st May. You can see that all these three entries are on 1st May and first entry was on 5th April for application allotment. With this, the sum is completed. I hope it is very clear to you. Do the practice exercise. Sum number 22 also is same kind of sum. You can do the practice of that.